Okay, we are recording.
Okay, we're coming back on right now for the inspection. Sorry you didn't record the last bit of cleaning there, but that's all right. Can you go ahead and turn up my hat light a little bit? Thank you. Okay, I'm here looking at the ladder. Can you take a picture of that for me?
Yeah, get a little closer.
How's that?
Not too good, but we got it.
Okay. The ladder is pretty corroded, not so much on the rails, but on the rungs. There is some delamination occurring on it, a little bit of corrosion up against the wall. Once again, I'm at the 12 o'clock position underneath the access hatch. First thing I noticed in this tank when we were cleaning, there's a lot of corrosion going on the floor. The coating is pretty much non-existent in some areas. You can see a lot of these on the seams. I'm not sure if this is pitting in yet. I don't really want to disturb it any more than it already is, but the coating is failing all around the tank. The walls look pretty good from what I've seen. Can you go ahead and take a picture of this wall seam here on the floor?
Got it?
And it is pitting in. I can tell by looking at it. I see about an eighth of an inch to a quarter of an inch on this guy here, that guy there. So these are real big problem areas, obviously. The weld seam around the floor is also in extremely poor condition. The coating is black, so I can't really, it's very difficult to distinguish if it's down to metal in all the places. I don't think so. Mostly any of these areas where you see corrosion going on in here, some of your coating, you can just flick around on the floor there. But looking at the wall, there's a little corrosion going on. Can you take a picture of the wall for me?
Got it?
Thank you. There's not a lot of vertical seams in this tank. It does look like the horizontal seam that's going across the entire wall is in really good shape. The biggest concern so far is the floor. And as I go throughout the tank, pitting in that area there, big areas of corrosion. This light, give me a second. I'm now in about the 3 o'clock position. Haven't come across any fixtures yet. Just kind of trying to give you an overview of the floor and all the corrosion going on it. These are pretty good sized nodules all went through here. Just a really big area. Weld seams overall pretty good except for where the coating's failed and you have all this pitting and corrosion going on. Now I'm in about, I'm getting close to the 6 o'clock. Am I close enough to where you can see all this? Pretty.
Oh yeah, we can see it clear.
Okay, good. Another big area there. I'm sure if the rub on that for a little bit, it's pitting. I guarantee that one is too. In here, all along that floor and wall seam. This little guy's made it for a while. I think Mr. Ranway, so I'm sorry, let me go back. Nope. Okay, back at the 6, working my way towards the 9. But on the plus side, the wall looks really nice. Okay, I am in about the 10 o'clock position and come across the outlet. Coating is failing. On the plate that is around the outlet pipe and the floor, it's in good condition, but the other sealer on the pipe and the floor, quite a bit of noduling going on. Noduling on the pipe as well. This is actually the overflow, I think. My bad. But yeah, that should definitely be touched up, as it might be an area of town because, wait, can you shoot a picture of that?
Got it.
Okay, and just as I move slightly to the right of that, we come across the inlet, a little bit of noduling going on around the plate in the floor seam that was knocked off during vacuuming, and of course we have noduling going on the pipe in the seam. Go ahead and take a picture, please.
Got it.
And just back from that, like I said, this is about the 10 o'clock position. This, I don't know if this is your outlet or what, it's kind of funky looking, but this is where a lot of the sand was piled up, so maybe that's your outlet over there. I'm not sure, but if you could take a picture of this guy.
Lift your head a little. Got it.
Okay, and then one of the base. This is a big nodule.
Got it.
Okay. And then behind that, I'm guessing this is the center support for the tank. Go ahead and take a picture of the base, please.
Got it.
Okay. A lot of corrosion going on around the bottom. A lot of noduling on the support itself. I'm going to go ahead and climb this. Bad shape on the bottom. Gets a little better on the top. And goes a little bit worse. Okay, can you go ahead and shoot the roof?
Got it.
Can't really tell if there's, well, I see a little bit of corrosion on the roof, but it is also painted black. There's your overflow. The supports seem to be in good condition. Shoot it.
Got it.
Really, that's about it for up there. There's a float. Like I said, the walls are in good condition, but the floor is just absolutely hammered. Let me go over here for a second. Just kind of show you along the weld seam there. That's all noduling, didn't really want to disturb it. And we're back to the float assembly with all that going on. Okay, well, this thing's kind of a tough call. The walls are in good shape. The floor is really not. Something needs to be done with the floor relatively quickly. I can recommend, epoxying the whole floor. The areas that we do see, it's going to look like a paintball gun went off in here, and I did miss this one, man. When we go back and check that, this is in the 11 o'clock.